Hello, I'm Peter and I'm the Kitchen Gamer. Today, we'll be making some jolly good fudge. So, let's jump right into it. In a pot, melt 150 grams of cubed butter and 2 tablespoons of golden syrup. Also, remember to preheat your oven to 150 degrees Celsius or 302 Fahrenheit on fan bake. Once melted, transfer it to a mixing bowl and add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 cup of shredded coconut, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of flour, and then 1 cup of sultanas. Mix it together until it's like a biscuit mixture. With a slice tray, empty your mixture into it and then press it all into the tin so no loose bits are left. Once pressed into the tin, place it into your heated oven for 10 minutes or until firm. Now that it's done, leave it in the tray for a few minutes until it's cool. Now to start the icing, melt approximately 50 grams of butter. With the butter melted, add approximately 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder, several tablespoons of icing sugar, and 2 capfuls of vanilla essence. Mix it together, and if it is too thick, add small amounts of milk or water. If needed, more icing sugar. Continue this until you have a spreadable icing. Having the icing done, and the base should be coolish now, spread the icing over the base, and once done, cut it up and serve, or wait until the icing is more set. I hope that you've enjoyed learning how to make jolly good fudge with me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, along with commenting on this video. Also, check out the social media links below, along with the last baking video on brownies. Until next time, enjoy the kitchen.